Hey guys, this is TBW563.
And this is Rescue Emergency Alerts.
And today we are doing an unboxing of my RadioShack PRO-136.
And I'm doing an unboxing of my Midland WR300 version 4.
Alright, let's get into this. Alrighty. Is your thing taped? Mine isn't taped. All I need to do is just open this up.
I don't know if you can hear Tampa Bay weather.
Oh, it's flipped. Oops, it's flipped over. The box is flipped. There we go. Okay, ready? Alright, I'm pulling the radio out. Alright, I just... Wait, what?
Yeah.
Version 0?
The Midland thing.
Oh, the versions... Oh, the version 0 and the manual. Yeah, my version 3 has that. Alright, I just got the radio out of its box, so let's see. Wow, this is a... Whoa! This is a big scanner. Damn, this is a big scanner.
Alright, let's get it out the WR300.
Oh, yay, it has batteries. The Whistler doesn't have batteries.
The WR300.
Alrighty.
It's a lot bigger than I thought.
Yeah. Oh, it came with the BNC antenna!
Whoa.
It came with the BNC antenna, so now I have a spare. And you know what? So basically, a bit of backstory on the PRO-136. So the PRO-136 is a scanner made by Uniden, but it was sold under the RadioShack name. So it has the Uniden button beeps, the Uniden siren, but it also has some of the RadioShack functionality into this. So it's actually, this is really cool.
Tampa Bay weather. How's it going on around WR300?
Alrighty, so let's plug you in. So here's the adapter, which is here's the AC adapter, big and fat. And now let's.
Everything about this radio is huge.
I know, it's big. It's actually one of the biggest weather radios I own at this point. All right, let's plug you in. Here we go.
Some batteries.
All right. Alarm, 12 a.m. Let's see. So I know how to operate a unit in the scanner because I had a BC340 CRS. But I returned it because it didn't have the weather alert function. And which was the prime reason I got the radio. You know what? I'm probably not going to use this BNC antenna. Reason being is it has the 519s connector and it is kind of a piece of crap. Also, it actually doesn't telescope the full way, but we'll put it on for now as factory. Alrighty. Let's put the antenna up. That's a short one. Alright. So let's press power. Yeah, that's loud. Alright. Let's see. WX. Channel 1. Let's see. Let's go up to channel 7. How do you... Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. It picks up channel 3 relatively well.
Seas 2 feet or less.
Okay. And then, let's see. Where's the button? WX alert. And then this puts it on standby. Now, I believe I can do the siren test here in a second, but not at the moment. And I also believe it has a backlight, so let me go in the manual, which is, I believe, oh, this is the frequency.
So it looks like I only have 3 double A's, so...
Oops. Okay then. Was there a manual in the box? Probably was. I'm trying to find a manual because I want to turn on the backlight, and I don't know how to. Oh, wait a minute. I think I know how. I think it's, wait, let's go back. This has a... I think it's the alarm. I think it's the alarm clock. Oh, that's really cool. This is really cool. The Whistler, on the Whistler WS-1025, how it works is you have to have it on alert standby, like, all the time, and you can't switch to other frequencies. I believe you can do that on this.
Oh, yeah, the VCT-15X. It has WX alert priority.
Yeah. Let's see. Let's go to... Isn't it...
Lamp testing 3,
Isn't it...
2, 1.
Oh, okay. There's a...
4.
Nice. Okay, so this is the button for the backlight. Now, let me go turn the radio back on. Now, let's press... I think it's enter 2 times, and I think that's how you siren test it. So, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, wait.
Wind surround is fine.
That's just the bank. Hold on, wait. I think it's WX. Nope, that's the wrong button. Alert? Yep.
Nice.
Hey, oh!
What chance of showers?
Sweet! Now, I wonder, since this has a bit of RadioShack functionality, does this radio activate on the first header? And if so, this is gonna be cool. Okay. How's the WR300 for you? Romium,
Yep,
how's the WR300 for you?
I like it.
That's what I thought. You know what? I'm going to swap out antennas because this BNC antenna is crappy. The unit and BNC antennas are not the best. The BNC antenna that I have telescopes completely. The unit and antenna that it came with doesn't. So I'm going to tighten you. Oh my gosh. Alright, let's see.
Puts the sack on low.
I know, I don't know why. Imagine, bro, ow! Bro, imagine putting your WR300 siren on low. Imagine. Bro, I would slap you if you did that. What the hell is this manual? Stop! Don't miss any of the action. For only $20, subscribe to National Communications and get the most out of your scanner and CB. Hey, look, it's a PRO-135. Or wait, no, that's a PRO-94. My fault.
It's so small with this radio.
I know, right?
And yeah, besides.
I know, right? Also, Roman and I, both are getting Recom R1630As in the mail.
Yeah, we're both getting R1638s.
Hey, look, you can see the antenna on the camera. It's pretty cool. Alright, so, I think I am going to... Hold on, I'm gonna put this stuff back into the box, and then we're gonna move the radio, to its location. And I think it deserves a spot. Honestly, I think it deserves to be where my Whistler is right now.
$20.99.
Oh yeah, it goes up to $20.99. PRO-135. Hey, wait a minute. PRO-135 / PRO-136. What is this? Oh, these are all the frequencies. Ooh, bro, this is cool. It comes with a sheet for all the frequencies. That's actually really nice. Alright, I'm gonna put you where my Whistler is. Actually. So, there's my Whistler.
I'll set that up later.
What, the
I really like WR300 now.
Yeah, it is a really nice radio. Alright, I'm gonna pull out the adapter, and then we're going to move you somewhere else. So, I think the Whistler is going to go where my zone guard is, and my zone guard is going to go where this place, over here. Oh yeah, also, this is my fire alarm panel. I haven't touched this in ages. Well, I have. I touched it yesterday, but that was just for screwing around. Okay, so let me pull out my Whistler. You are gonna go there. Zongard is going to get unplugged. And since Etons have perfect battery life, literally nothing is going to happen. So.
Alright, I think I'm gonna end my video because I'm done with my own concept.
Alright, well, yep, Romium's gonna end his video. I'm gonna end my video shortly.
Alright, this was Rustic Emergency Alerts.
With TBW563.
Yeah. And, goodbye.
Alright, so continuing to what I was doing. Bro, what the heck? The Whistler is like it's super tight in this. That sounded so freaking wrong. You have no idea how wrong that sounded. But also, the Whistler is one of the bigger radios things I own. But I think the PRO-136. Okay, yeah, this is definitely bigger. Definitely bigger. And now that this is here, that actually has a this is all RadioShack. Technically, the Whistler is a Whistler, but it's technically a RadioShack scanner because RadioShack makes the PRO-405, or they used to, because RadioShack doesn't exist anymore. But yeah, RadioShack makes the PRO-405, which is basically the Whistler, and because Whistler copied Whistler, and there's another company called Graycom or GRE that copied the PRO-405 and the Whistler's design. So I think what's going to happen is I'm going to move my Sanjin to the back and my PRO-405 to the front. Like that. That's actually perfect. And then we'll move my PRO-136 over here.
I really like the WR300. It's a very nice radio.
It is a very nice radio. It is very good.
Oh, also, there's a 250C on this thing.
Where's a what?
A 250C.
Oh yeah, there is, and there's also a 200. I believe. Isn't there a 74 200?
Yeah, there's a 74 200 in the stuff, right?
Yeah, bro, that's weird. I don't know why they didn't get rid of that. All right.
Oh yeah, because this was when the WR300 was made in like 2008,
2007.
2008, yeah, around that.
No, 2006 probably.
Yeah, which makes sense. So I think Midland updates their weather radios every 10 years.
Yeah. So it's
There was the WR120 in 2000. There was the WR100 in 2001. The WR120 in 2011.
yeah.
The WR300 in 2006 and the WR400 in 2017.
Okay. Oh wow, that's fast. I like that this has a fast clock where you can set it quickly. Enter. Oh, that's really nice. That's really nice. This thing shows the seconds.
Oh wow.
I'm gonna turn the alarm off because I don't need it. I believe if I turn the alert off.
In the afternoon. Seas 2 feet.
Hey,
Bay and inland waters.
The 1638 shipped.
Oh, really? Let me check.
Check if yours shipped.
Let me check and see if mine shipped. Nope, mine didn't ship yet.
Dang. Maybe he's about to put in your tracking.
Yeah, I think he will. What I don't like about Uniden scanners is that the backlight doesn't stay on. But anyway,
Very nice radio.
yeah, anyway, I'm going to end the video here with the final siren test because this is too cool. Hold on, is it this one? Oh, wait, you have to have the power on. Here we go. Now, hold on. Let's compare this with the most the loudest siren hears with the reticus, because that is a pretty loud siren. So let's see. Oh yeah, it's.
A slight chance of thunderstorms in the evening. A chance of showers. North winds around 15 knots.
Yeah.
Seas 2 to 3 feet. Bay and inland waters.
Okay, so it's on standby now. I believe. Oh, you have to have it on WX, apparently. Oops. I did not know that. But I'll program more channels into this Uniden scanner later, because it is basically a Uniden. This was TBW563, along with...
Rust gun emergency alerts.
And I am signing off. Goodbye.